Hello loves, and we are going to create this very pink and purple glittery girly clown that allows you to still be a little bit glam. So if you want to see how I got this look, you're in the right place. Keep on watching. Before we get into the tutorial, please subscribe if you have not already. Alright, let's get into it. I want to do a really pale base, not quite white, but pretty close. So I'm going to use the F0.5 of the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation, just because this will give me some extra coverage, because I don't feel like this LA Girl Pro Coverage one has as much coverage. So I think by mixing them, I will get pretty much a white base. If you're going to wear this out all night, I would definitely like put on your heavy duty primers. I'm just going to use this Hangover RX 3-in-1 priming spray. It looks so silly right now. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to use this brush. It's from IT Cosmetics. It's so cute. It's a heart-shaped to blend this out. Okay, I'm just going to take a white concealer. I'm going to use the Conceal and Define from Revolution, as it's what I have right here. This is totally optional. I just want my under eyes to be super bright. And I'm going to prime my lid area with this because I just want as much coverage as I can get. Okay, so we are going to set that using this white powder, also from Revolution. I just ordered a bunch of the holiday sets and stuff like that. So I thought I would pick this up. Super, super affordable. I'm just gonna use my ColourPop F14 brush. Obviously any brush will do. I'm just gonna set this base. This little guy right here, this is the Bronze and Glow from iHeart Makeup, which is now iHeart Revolution. I am gonna do a little bit of contouring just because I feel I want it to be kind of like a cute clown and a girly clown, so I want to still be a little bit glam, and I want some shape to this round face. I'm just going to use my Vasanti Blush 7 brush. It's what I've been using to contour lately, and I'm just going to obviously go into the contour shade. Use whatever shade you want. I honestly might go over it with a different color later, but this will give my face some dimension and some shape. Again, don't mind my ridiculous hair right now. So I'm just going to do my brows like normal because, again, I want it to be kind of like a glam clown. We're just going to use the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in a soft brown. And I'm just going to pop on some brows. Just do your brows like you normally do. Obviously, you can do colored brows if you want. Alright, loves, I think we're going to mostly use this palette from Obsession/Revolution Beauty. It says, if in doubt, be a unicorn. I just thought these palettes were so cute. I opted to get the Obsession ones over the Revolution ones this year just because I really liked that they had the pressed glitters in them, and these just spoke to me so much more. So this is what the palette looks like. We're just going to dip in here. I think I'm going to start with this lightest pink shade. Again, don't mind my nails, but can't be bothered today. This palette is so cute. I can't get over it. It's just so cute. Okay, so we're going in with Alternative, that light pink shade, and just a fluffy blender. And I just want to start putting some color onto my face. I'm going to do mostly pink and purple, I think. So I'm just going to go in. I don't even know what I'm doing. We're just winging this together, guys. I think I'm going to take that slightly darker pink and kind of add it to my contour. I'm going to go back to that light pink shade and I'm going to put it in the crease. I'm going to start with, again, that light pink shade and kind of shape out what I'm thinking because I know I want to do like the triangles over my eyes. So we're just going to start with the light pink and probably shade it in. Now I'm going in with the darker pink to help kind of shape that. I look crazy right now. Let's hope that this comes together. think I'm gonna kind of shade that a little bit with the purple in this palette, which is unconventional. I almost want to dip into this one, the Be Very Afraid palette, and use this deeper purple, maybe even Petrified. Maybe I'll mix those two. Going to try the purple in the crease. I think I'm gonna connect them. I wasn't going to, but I think I will connect them just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go into that darker palette again. I'm gonna mix those two purpley shades and put those in the crease for a little more definition. It's looking pretty dusty. I think I want to add more of a true light pink, so let me see if I can find one. Ooh, I think I'm gonna mix these two. This is the Carity Rose All Day palette. Just like this pink is so pigmented. You gotta be really careful with it. And I'm gonna kind of give myself blush on the cheeks. I think I want to add a little bit of that hot pink also from the Carity palette, this guy. I'm gonna go for the crease. I'm just adding a little bit of that pink. I'm just kind of doing a little bit of a wash of it. I'm going to take the tiniest bit of this darker shade, like this dark purple and this black, just the tiniest bit, to kind of give a little more definition out here. And I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. We're gonna peek it. Why not? Let's go. I think that I'm gonna pack this pale shade. Boop, boop, boop. I think on the top triangle, I'm gonna mix this Supernova shadow from ColourPop in, what are you, Lucky Penny, with the Revolution Retrospect glitter, which is the one that kind of looks like a cupcake. It's all pastel and amazing. So I'm going to kind of use this as my glue. So I'm just gonna pop it on. And I think I'm going to kind of mimic that underneath, but I want to use, look at these. I use this in my unicorn tutorial thing that I did a long time ago, like testing unicorn makeup. I found this on Amazon. I'll try and link it down below. These are pretty big, so I'm going to be really careful about putting them under my eyes. I mean, they showed them as eyeliner, but I don't know if they're actually supposed to be used as eyeliner. You know what I'm saying? Let's do a wing. Revolution Renaissance Flick. I think I'm going to take just a little bit of black liner. I'm just going to use this ColourPop one in Swerve, just on this outer corner so that it looks connected. And some lashes. I think mascara and lashes and I'll start to feel way better, and I can't wait to get a lip on. Okay, my camera doesn't want to focus. So this is what they look like. These are the Amore lashes. Right there. Boop, boop. These are intense, girl. Okay, I've got these little tiny heart sequins. I think I'm gonna put them down. I might want to put like a little bit of color there and then put it on. We're gonna start with this guy. Whoo! So pigmented. Okay, now I'm just gonna take a little bit of lash glue on there. Oh, I don't think that circle's big enough. Let's do some lips. I'm ready. Ready, ready, ready. I'm gonna start with Doll Parts from Jeffree Star. And I'm gonna exaggerate my Cupid's bow, and then we're gonna pull it out a little bit. I think we're gonna go for like this purpley shade in the Soph highlighter palette. I forgot we need to do a nose. We're just gonna do a hot pink nose, I think. Okay, so we're gonna go back in that hot pink in the Rosé All Day palette, and we're gonna give ourselves a nose. I think I might take a little bit of that purple highlighter from the Soph palette. I'm gonna start with the glitter in this palette, just this one right here. But I think I want to put some of that chunky glitter there too. We're just gonna go back to the ColourPop Lucky Penny. I'm just gonna tap it around. Of course, obviously add as much glitter or as little glitter as you want. I got this little clown collar from Amazon, so let me just pop this guy on. Alright loves, this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. I had a lot of fun creating this at first. I wasn't sure. I look ridiculous, but that's what Halloween is all about. This is a very pink, sparkly clown, so I hope you guys liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it if you could, because this helped me out so much, and let me know what other Halloween tutorials you really want to see down below so I can get those done as soon as possible for you. I cannot believe we're already, what is today? Filming this on October 6th. I can't even believe it. Halloween's gonna be here before we even know it. So again, let me know what you want to see down below. There's so many that I want to do. I know I'm not gonna have time to do near as many as I want to, but I want to do at least a few. So of course, please let me know what you guys want to see. And please subscribe if you have not already. I will talk to you soon. Bye. I'm just gonna, obviously ignore my nail polish, but woo! Absolutely insane right now. I don't know what we're doing, but we're just doing it. I'm balancing Luna in my lap right now, so just know that. These bangs. I can't. I'm just trying to keep them out of the way. Why am I so attractive right now? Please give this video. I have glitter in my mouth. Lashes and steel.